Ever since I was born, been a spring flower's daughter. Hibernate till it's warm and the snow melts to water. But here comes a change, I can feel it inside. I see sun in the cloudless sky. So I open my windows and breathe in the breeze of March dancing on my skin. Suddenly I have a reason to come alive with the season.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday. May you all be beautiful. She did see it. Oh my God, I'm grateful to you. Oh my God, I'm done it again. I'm super excited. Yes, I'm really happy. Yes, happy birthday. Many more beautiful years. And may the Lord bless you with everything you desire this year. May the countenance of the Lord shine upon you. May the light of the Lord shine upon you. May life fall in pleasant places for you. Happy birthday.
Hi. People have been struggling because of me. Imagine my friend being awake to make my big pie since 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Ah, God.
Welcome back to another vlog. Today is another weekend and nothing pretty too serious in this weekend. So I've been busy trying to tidy up the entire house and all that. I'm currently working on this bottle. I want to recycle it as a flower stand. Like you see those pretty flower stands you see in people's houses, some of them are made from recycled bottles, and hence the need. I've been able to remove the labels from this bottle and all that. I will wash it, soak it for a while, remove the remaining debris on it, and then use it for this flower. I've had it for like a year or so. I've not been able to get something to put it in. See, let me show you guys. It's not the best, but I wanted something smaller, but for now this is what is available. So I'm going to use it to stand my flower like this somewhere at the corner of this house. Yeah, when I'm done I'll show you guys. Anyway, that's it. Let me show you guys something else I did in case. Just hold. I don't know if you will see it. You see? Or let me take you guys to this one so you just see. So this is one of the recycled bottles that I used. As you can see, do you think this was the recycled bottle from, you know, bama, the usual bama that we eat from. So I turned it into a flower vase. What do you think? Yes, that same thing I plan to do with this other bottle here. This one, and I like how pretty. Let me show you guys. I like how pretty it's looking. Yeah, I'll place it somewhere here. This is where it will go. So once I'm done, then when I'm done, I'll just, don't worry, you see the outcome of this DIY. Anyway guys, today I don't even know, I have a couple of things to do. I'll just take you guys along. I don't know, but let's just see how today goes, because obviously I'll be working today. Yeah, but let's see how it goes. I will see you guys when I'm done with my work. See my bed all cleared. This is just the remnant of what I have left, so I just have to clean it up, put up here, and see you guys. As I will just lazy. See you guys later.
That she's growing up in a fucked up world, and you lose yourself and come undone till you're back to the place where you begun. And I'm so happy to see her again, a nostalgic feeling I can't explain, 'cause she's been with me all these years. It's my old heart and I'm so glad she's here.
Hey my loves. Alright, I'm ready to go to the office. I told you guys that I'll be working today, and yeah, I'm working today. It's past 2. I'm a lazy girl, and I'm ready to go to the office. Anyway, this is, I'm putting on my usual pair of dimming, my usual pair of jean trouser and a black top. Yeah, with my signature handbag. My birthday gift. Like, the way I've been rocking this bag, everybody, in fact, anyone that knows me will think this is the only bag I have. Oh, this is the only bag I love at the moment. Like, it goes well with everything, so I'm good to go. I'm good to go. I'm good to go. Let's get going. Hello. This is another day. This is a Sunday, guys, and I just finished creating a content, and it's a go before this one, so I hope you guys will watch it. I'll look it up somewhere here. Today is a Sunday and I'm supposed to be chilling, right? But who chilling? Help, tell me guys, who chilling? Help. Anyway, I had plans of creating 2 videos today, one health related video and another one from my channel, in fact for this week, and I have been able to, you know, create just one of it. The second video, I'll be going in now to continue the video, like to shoot the content. It's a health related video, and I hope you guys will also love it. Anyway guys, that's besides this. After this, I don't have anything to do. You see how I'm looking? I do too much to come on this channel, guys. I do too much to bring myself on this channel, to bring you guys content. Anyway, I forgot to show you guys from yesterday. Can you see that bottle? That flower vase. See how it's looking there? I'm thinking of spraying it with maybe like a gold, so that it will look, I don't know why it's bending. It was looking fine. It was just properly standing, but I don't know why it's bending. But I'm thinking of spraying it gold or black and white. I think black and white will be fine. I'll spray it, and I will also show you guys the finished look. But for now, that's what it looks like. You see the bottle, I scraped out everything from it. Let me show you guys. I've scraped out everything from it, so it's looking fine. And now, anyway, I am going into, what was it again? I'm going into make dinner and then see if I can complete the other video that I started. That's why I've not come on here. But I'll see you guys. Just chill. I'll see you guys.
Have you ever felt his fingertips sending shivers down your spine? It's enough to make you lose your sense, enough to make you lose your mind. There's magic in the way he moves, always steady, ever wild. I know there's heartbreak.
Hey guys, I'm done with cooking. Tomorrow is Monday, so I just want to quickly sort out clothes for tomorrow, if possible for next tomorrow. But as it is, I think I'll just sort out clothes for tomorrow because literally I'm tired and all I want to do right now is just sleep. So I just sort out my clothes for tomorrow. And you guys, I think that's just it. Anyway, let's get started.
It's the wakening and not just, it's the changing of the moon. It's the way I know one day when I'm old I might not have you. Oh, maybe there's a God above. If he can teach us how to love, then maybe we could all make it through. But all I know is I need you here for an hour or two. Cause for now, oh for now, I want you, 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 I want you. I hope you never lose your place. I hope you never lose your place. Oh, my neck at the corner of my face. I hope you never lose your.
This looks so fine. What do you guys think? This is like a basic pant trouser from this trouser is from, I think, Atmosphere. Yeah, Atmosphere. And then a Zara black plain top. So I love this. I think let's try something else and see. So what do you guys think? This is another look. What do you think? I think I kind of like this. I like the look this is giving me. This is more fitted. Like it looks more fitted and my kind of thing. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? It look beautiful? Yeah. So I'll go with this for tomorrow. Yeah. go with this. This will work perfectly fine. I think I'm sorted for tomorrow. Then maybe by tomorrow I'll sort out the rest of the clothes for the week, because today I'm tired already. Like, I'm tired, so, and I want to just go get ready for bed and watch a movie. Hey guys, I will close out this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed yet, please find it in your heart of hearts to hit the subscribe button. And if you love video content, if you love my videos, also find it in your heart of hearts to subscribe. I'll get some work done on one or two things I needed to close out, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Peace.
I don't wanna go out, I just wanna stay at home. Wear my favorite robe tonight, I'm partying alone, yeah. I'm so bored of going to all the sweaty clubs. I'm just gonna order takeout and chill on my couch, yeah.